There are three basic ways of getting around QuickBooks. First, the navigation bar on the left side of the QuickBooks window. The navigation bar includes information about different people we do business with, including customers, suppliers, employees, and even our accountant. The navigation bar includes centers focused on these people, including expenses and suppliers, sales and customers, and payroll. For example, if we click Sales, QuickBooks provides us with 5 additional lists, starting with the Overview. When you click Overview, QuickBooks provides you with a snapshot of sales in your business. When we click Invoices, we see a list of invoices. And most importantly, we see our customer list. You can use any of the centers on the left navigation bar to find out detailed information about the people you do business with. Other information on the navigation bar includes information about projects, the Report Center. This includes dozens of preset reports about your business, taxes. This provides you with information about your current tax situation. And finally, other things like mileage tracking and information about your accounting. Use the navigation bar anytime you want to see more information about the people you do business with. The second tool for navigating QuickBooks is the New menu. This is where you'll go to create new transactions in QuickBooks. This menu is divided into 4 different categories: customer transactions, supplier transactions, employees and payroll, and other transactions that include things like your bank deposit and journal entries. This menu is critical for creating new entries in QuickBooks. Whenever you have to create a transaction of any type, always use the New menu, and you'll find the transaction that you need to enter. Our last way to get around is the gear icon in the top right corner. This provides you with important tasks and functions relevant to your business, but they're not used as frequently as transactions on the New menu. The gear icon is divided into 4 categories. The 3 most important are Tools, where you can import data, reconcile accounts, and even do budgeting. Lists, that include all the lists you can create in QuickBooks, specifically important lists like the products and services and recurring transactions. And finally, Your Company. This is where you'll find information about your account and settings, how to customize QuickBooks, how to add users, and other important things like customizing your forms and using your chart of accounts. Use the gear icon when you need to work with various lists and tools in QuickBooks that aren't available on the New menu or navigation bar. And those are the 3 ways to get around. Once again, the navigation bar where we find information about people we're doing business with, the New menu to do transactions, and all other tasks and functions under the gear icon.